Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Clash of Clans mod iOS. This topic is complex because directly modifying games on Apple's iOS platform presents significant technical hurdles. We will explore the realities of such modifications, offering clarity on what is genuinely possible and what to approach with extreme caution. My aim is to help you understand the landscape of iOS game modifications, ensuring your device remains secure and your gaming experience safe. Apple's operating system is designed with a very strong emphasis on user security and data privacy. Each application runs within its own secure sandbox, making it incredibly difficult to alter game files from outside. This stringent security architecture is why you rarely find legitimate modifications for iOS games that operate within the official game. Understanding this core principle is crucial for any iOS user. Many online sources claim to offer easy ways to obtain Clash of Clans modifications, often featuring unlimited resources. Unfortunately, these are almost universally fraudulent and designed to compromise your device or personal accounts. Always question sources that ask for sensitive information or promise unrealistic game advantages. Protecting your device from malicious software is far more important than any perceived mod benefit. The only method resembling a modified Clash of Clans experience on iOS without jailbreaking involves joining an unofficial private server. These servers are independently run and are not connected to Supercell, the game's developer. They often provide many resources or custom rule sets for unique gameplay. However, accessing them typically requires downloading an application from a non-app store source, which carries inherent risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.